Have you ever faced RBC issues that just won't go away? Transactions failing, payees not adding, or even security threats? You're not alone, and today I'm breaking down the biggest RBC problems and exactly how to fix them. Stick around. Your solution is just moments away. First up, let's tackle RBC configurator problems. If you're seeing delays or errors with the rules-based configurator for Delta 70, here's what you need to do. Ensure proper software integration, check for system updates and patches, and if problems persist, contact RBC or Delta 70 support. But that's just the beginning. What if the problem isn't software-related but something much more serious, like cyber attacks? Cybersecurity threats are no joke. If hackers are attacking Lukoil and causing RBC security breaches, you need to act fast. Isolate infected systems and activate cybersecurity protocols. Employees should avoid compromised networks and always stay updated with official Lukoil and RBC security announcements. Security threats are a huge concern, but let's talk about something that directly affects your money: RBC's online banking issues. Failed transactions, EMT delays, and app malfunctions can be super frustrating. Here's how to fix them. Clear your cache, switch browsers, or update the app. RBC should provide real-time service updates, and if the issue persists, contact RBC support. Imagine sending money to someone and it just vanishes. Let's fix that. If you're dealing with email money transfer issues, check your internet connection and app version first. Keep an eye out for official RBC statements on outages, and if the problem still isn't fixed, contact RBC customer service directly. But what if your salary isn't reaching your account on time? That's a big problem. Employers and vendors experiencing payment delays should verify if RBC is undergoing maintenance. Use alternative payment methods like wire transfers, and RBC needs to step up their communication game about system downtimes. And let's not forget the smaller glitches that can drive you crazy. For random app or website errors, restart the app, clear the cache, or use a different device. Reporting errors to RBC helps them resolve issues faster, and they should definitely improve proactive customer support. So whether it's a small glitch or a major transaction failure, knowing how to handle RBC issues can save you time, stress, and money. If you found this helpful, drop a fixed IT in the comments and share this with someone struggling with RBC issues. And before you go, check out this video on hidden banking hacks to maximize your financial security. See you there.